Metong karing mepunteriya niyang COVID-19 pandemic ing sektor na ning turismo alimog ing Central Luzon, nunay pati na kay mabilog gayato. Anya naman king pamagbalik na sigla ning turismo kay rehiyon, maragula kanong meging papel at suking pribado ang pampampublikong sektor. Inya naman bi kasaya ing Tourism Recognition for Enterprises and Stakeholders Awards o TRES Awards, amera pag king Clark Freeport Zone iting January 9. Kaya din nandong galal ni Department of Tourism Region 3, ring sablanggi ng bolat sinaop king pamagpasikan king tourism industry.
TRES holds two things. TRES is for number 3, which is Region 3. And then it also takes hold of a special meaning. It's a recognition. So it's recognition for our enterprises and at the same time to our stakeholders. So our tourism recognition for enterprises and stakeholders.
At sulaking 36 ding awardees at deti dinalangan king screening ang pong assessment no makanano yung karelang meging ambag.
Apo yung screening, aliya mo talaga, wala mong mag-submit ka mo. It was really very stringent and there were like, wala mo pool of assessors or judges, if I may use.
Mepit na laking 8 kategorya ring galal at ring gender and development category, mabuhay category, tourism quality category, tourism development category, outstanding tourism program category, kaagapay category, tourist destination category at pang special recognition. Metong karing makatanggap galal in Clark Development Corporation king leadership ng attorney Agnes de Vanadera at agpangkaya, maulagay paming sa upan bang kompleto rekados siya kaning pamagpasikan king turismo.
Pag walang pribadong sektor at puro pamahalaan, hindi magiging kompleto. Dahil para yung bibingka, kung lulutuin natin, may apoy sa ilalim, may apoy sa ibabaw, yan ang tambalan ng private sector.
Ikwa na naman siyang pangilinan ng City Government of San Fernando ang Most Outstanding Tourism Officer 2023.
This will serve as an inspiration for us to work harder and strive more in order to promote tourism development. Alim mo kay katamong syudad San Fernando no naking mabilog
King taglo sa pamisaupan na ring awardees, stakeholders at bubuking tourism sector ng rehiyon. Makasadyaya ka ng DOT Region 3 na may gitnyang iyagyagin turismo ng Central Luzon, kilwal at kilob ng bansa. Ako po yung kaya kayong talasuyo, JM De Jesus, ating pusong makabalen.